If you want to land six-figure deals in AI and web development, then you need to understand these three core pillars that matter on Upwork. And for context, I've closed multiple six-figure deals. I've even closed multi-six-figure deals on the platform. For example, I'm the only person to close a client on Upwork for over $160,000. And just so you know, I'm not making this up, I'm the #1 ranked automation expert on Upwork in the UK and #1 in the world on Upwork for NAN and a few other tools. So I know what it takes to close six-figure deals because I've closed a bunch of them, and I've closed many multi-five-figure deals on the platform too. So what are these kind of three core pillars that you need to master on Upwork to start closing these big ass deals? And by the way, if you don't want to learn any of this and you want me to just basically do this for you and guide you through this process, then click the link in the description and I would love to work with you. My team will reach out to you. But anyway, let's get into the first pillar. The first pillar is all about understanding the landscape that you're in on Upwork. And there's a few parts to this, right? And I'll kind of break it into two main parts. Now, I originally started in this space in AI automation, and I was offering those services like NAN and stuff like that, and that's why I rose to the top in that niche. But if I had to tell you one thing when it comes to closing six-figure deals, is that you need to be aimed more at web development rather than AI automation. The reason for this is because realistically speaking, let's be honest, if you know this space, you can't really charge more than maybe like 10, 20 grand for NAN flows, make.com flows, Zapier flows, and most of the time, they're in the kind of low four figures to maybe low five figures at best. However, once you start getting into web development, that's when you can start charging a lot more money. So I would urge you to understand the landscape that you're in and ultimately try and focus more on web development. But another important aspect that you need to know about landing six-figure deals on Upwork is just understanding the time frame that it takes to close a deal of that size. And what do I mean by this? Every single six-figure deal that I've closed on Upwork has ended up taking over 30 days to close. The first one was around 30 days. The second one was over 36 days. And during that period, there was a lot of work involved and a lot of free stuff that we were offering. And we'll get into more of what that looks like in a second, but ultimately, you have to understand the landscape. Big deals like this, they take time, and it takes a long time to close those deals. The reason for this is a multi-six-figure deal is usually a bigger company, and there's many people that have to sign off on that decision. There's many devil's advocates, there's many competing people. For example, when I closed the 160K deal, over 150 people had applied, and then most of those people had better profiles than I did. And you're competing with many other people, and that's why those deals sometimes take so long. And ultimately, they know that they could mess with you. Like when I first pitched the 160K deal, I originally pitched them for 200K, and then we came down to 180, and then we came down to 160. And to be honest, one of the only reasons that I even closed that deal was because I just wanted to show it on the platform. Otherwise, I probably would have hard negotiated a little bit more or done what everybody else does, which is take clients off the platform, which I have never done on this YouTube channel. But anyway, definitely don't take clients off the platform. But let's be honest, we know loads of people that are doing that. I'm not going to name names, but anyway, you get my point. You know what? Actually, I do want to make a point about that. When I closed that 160K deal, 99% of people would take that client and not do it through the Upwork platform and save themselves some fees. For context, I spent over $20,000 in fees just so that I could show you on YouTube that that was possible. So if you ever think that I'm doing this just for money, please know that when I talk about these six-figure deals, it literally costs me multi-five figures just to talk about it on YouTube. So like I'm spending probably hundreds of thousands of dollars just to even show you that this is possible because I want to help you change your life and I want you to realize that Upwork is a place that you can make money. But anyway, now that you understand the landscape of Upwork and you understand the landscape of what it takes to close six-figure deals, which is obviously the time frame, and on top of that, that you need to focus more on web development rather than AI, what is the other pillar? The other pillar is all around POCs, implementation plans, and over-delivering. Every single six-figure deal that I've closed on Upwork took a lot of effort. I'll be honest, for the 160K deal as the example, we probably did $5,000, $10,000 worth of free work on that. We probably had 5 or 6 back and forth calls. And just in general, it was a lot of work. Me and my team spent so much time building a working demo for the project. We had many calls going over the, kind of itinerary and, implementation plan of what we were going to do. And honestly, they grilled the shit out of us. But the reason that we closed that deal is because we never wavered. We always over-delivered. We constantly sent like images. And for the non-technical people that were watching our stuff and for the people that were looking at the deal that weren't maybe technical, we were making it easy to understand with flow charts and simple explanations. And yeah, like it's a lot of work to close these deals, but ultimately the juice does give you the squeeze, if you will, and ultimately is a lot of money when you close these deals. But to be honest, that's why I think most people don't close them, is because they just give up halfway through. They think, oh, this client's asking me for too much. They're not big. But there's multi-six-figure deals on Upwork. There's Fortune 500 companies on Upwork that are willing to pay you millions of dollars. And let's not forget, there's people on Upwork that are making $2-3 million a year. That's a fact. You can look this up on Upwork MRR. It's a real thing. So even me talking about six-figure deals is, baby numbers in comparison to some of the amounts that other people might be making on the platform in theory. But like I said, that second pillar is all about over-delivering. You got to make POCs for them, proof of concepts, make MVPs for them, minimal viable products. You got to make demos for them. You've got to make these beautiful SOWs, these beautiful scopes of work. You've got to give implementation plans and explain the implementation plans on the phone. And another little thing I would say as well, which I probably should have mentioned in the first pillar, is that ultimately, if you want to get six-figure deals, it's probably going to come from a more technical-based skill. Like, you're not going to get a six-figure deal in social media management or copywriting. It's very unlikely unless you have some sort of revenue share agreement. Like, if you were to do that with Facebook ads, you would have to have a percentage of ROAS or something like that. But in this, Upwork in the real world, it's probably going to have to be a technical skill like web development, AI automation, or something else. Now, the third pillar I want to talk to you about is pricing, because how do you even price a deal like this? Like, for example, on my Upwork profile, it says that I charge $50 an hour. So how am I charging 160 grand? Like, if I pull up the maths here, how many 160,000s go into 50? Okay, 3,200. So let's divide that by, I don't know, 365. Cool, so I'm working 8 hours a day, every single day for the rest of the year, 8.7 hours a day, might I add, to basically get that amount of money. So obviously you can't, price it on hourly. It wouldn't even make any sense. The way that you price these six-figure deals is on the value that you can bring to the client. And I would always suggest that you think about this from the perspective of their perspective and not your perspective. For them, they might be used to spending a lot of money. A six-figure deal to you might be insane, but to them, that might be a weekly occurrence. And it definitely was for the clients that we've closed for six-figure deals. For example, the first six-figure deal I closed spent, I think, like $100,000 on like aluminum or something like that. They don't even care. They were just casually talking about it in conversation. The other big project that we closed, we were going to save them over $1 million by doing the build that we were going to do for them for voice agents. So you got to charge clients based on the value that you can bring and the value that you're bringing with the build that you're doing, not on your perception of money, because your perception of money is probably broke, right? And even for me, I'm probably undervaluing the value that I'm bringing to the table on some of these deals that I'm doing. And because of that, I might price lower. But for them, they're getting a great deal because they're going to save a bunch of money. So as long as you understand the landscape that you're in, that these deals take time and that you should focus more on web development, and then that you should also charge what it's worth and make these beautiful POCs and over deliver, and always just think from the client's perspective of what kind of value can I bring, then you're going to be fine when it comes to closing six-figure deals. But ultimately, if you want to get six-figure deals, you need to know how to do it. And there's only really one way to do that, and that is to be mentored. Now, we have the best Upwork mentorship on the market right now. And the reason that we have it, and I'm confident I can say that, is because we're the only people that are actually closing any other deal that's over like 5 figures. And please feel free, go and look at the other people in this space and just go and look at their profiles and see how much they're making. None of them are making more than 20K per month. I'm making double, triple, even sometimes quadruple the amount that these guys are making. And I'm doing it in the niche that you're in, which is AI automation and web development. So if you want more mentorship and you want me to guide you and you want me to guarantee your results, click the link in the description. I would love to work with you. My team will reach out to you. But overall, if you want to get six-figure deals, you need to understand the landscape, you need to over-deliver, and you need to charge what it's worth to the client. And if that all makes sense, you will always get decent-sized deals on the platform. But anyway, I'll see you in the next video.